are in your yoga practice and it's time for plank. And we hear the moaning and groaning. So why not take a little extra time outside of your yoga practice or even inside of it to strengthen your plank muscles. And I don't mean just being still, we're actually going to move. So in this series, we're going to use hips as a driver. We're going to drive in all three planes of motion. We're going to go up and down, or forward and back. We're going to go side to side, and we're going to do some rotation. So here we go. So we're going to get in plank, and we're going to begin with a pretty large range here. So we're going to bring your hips way up and way down. For our purposes right now, let's do 5. Then we're going to begin to shorten that range. Let's do 5 more sort of mid-range of motion drives. So not all the way down, not all the way up. Gets a little harder this way. We're going to end with 5 very small moves here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you get to those last few of those small ranges of motion, you start to really feel why we're doing this. Now, you could take any number of repetitions of those, but again, for this purpose of this video, we're going to keep it short. We're going to do 5 big range of motion, 5 mid-range of motion, 5 small range of motion. Next is side to side. So we're going to drive our hips as far left and right. We're not twisting here yet. We're purely going side to side. So that's 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going mid-range with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going for those small ones. This is the hardest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we're going to do some circles. We could also twist it, but right now we're going to do some circles. Okay? So again, we're going to start big range. We're going to take it all the way around. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to do 5 big ones in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going that mid-range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch directions, mid-range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're doing those small ones, so get ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Best way to get stronger in plank is to move in plank in all planes of motion.